Here's the cold start video on our 65 Malibu Super Sport. I pump them twice. There we go. Once it warms up, I'll do some operations for you. Thank you. Works. We're in a metal building, so it ain't gonna work too well. Okay, that should be it. Thank you. Of course, I neglected to show the windshield wipers, so there we go. Thank you. To the drive segment of our 65 Malibu Super Sport. What we have here, to me, is kind of a special car. As I said, 65 Malibu Super Sport, L79, 4-speed. So 327, 350 horse. This car possesses all its original body panels, floors, trunk, all original, born with drivetrain. So the L79, the M20 Muncie 4-speed, as well as the 12-bolt 331 positive traction rear end. Has its original trim tag. Does not appear like the trim tag has ever been off of the car. So regal red, ivory white interior along with a black carpet. And this car was purchased in Maryland. The original owner, lady, had the car from 1965 through 1991. The second owner, he bought the car, saw it as a nice, original, rust-free car, and so he performed a restoration taking approximately 4 years. Pulled the body off the frame and meticulously went through each segment of the car. You will see in the documentation and the gallery that there's correspondence between the different owners, and obviously this is a very, very top-notch car. So we'll run this through the gears and kind of show you how the car operates. I must say, for a 331 geared car, this thing goes. The engine rebuild is documented. They do have a little hotter cam than the typical L79 cam, but it is well tuned. And I think this is one of those restorations where there's really no stone that's been unturned. Quite honestly, if it weren't for the fact that I can't keep them all, I'd love to keep this car. It's that nice. And I'm a Corvette guy. But take a look at all the pictures. Should be very self-explanatory where the quality is at. There is one spot I found in the trunk drop down on the right rear, right towards the rear, where I could see there was a little bit of corrosion. One spot, that's it. That coming from a car that's been on the East Coast, it's kind of unheard of. If you have any questions, something else you'd like to see, feel free to reach out, and I'll do what I can to answer your questions. Thank you. I appreciate your interest.